Hello everyone. So today let us talk about Beamer. Again, I'm making videos on Beamer because I am now trying to learn it and also sharing whatever I'm learning. Now, if I show you this presentation, which is nothing but a PDF file, I have of course done a lot of things which you can see in my previous videos. Now, if I show you this presentation, this is of course second frame, third frame, fourth frame. But when it comes to this particular frame, where I am talking about use cases, I have something like a bullet point or some kind of list. And if I press and look at the page number is 5. If I press page down, the page number is still 5, but now we have one more bullet point that is appearing, then third one, fourth one, and so on. So basically, in a way, we are showing these bullet points one by one. In Beamer, there is something called as pause, adding pauses. But I, of course, whenever you're trying to learn org mode, Emacs, Beamer, LaTeX, you always do some research online, and that is how I try to learn things. I don't really try to learn each and everything. I try to learn things that I want to implement, and this is something that I wanted to implement. For example, I do have this bullet point where I have these animations, not really animations, but in a way, a separate frame showing each and every bullet point one by one. But if I show you this particular frame, we have these 2 bullet points as it is. So doing this is actually very simple. If you open, and I'm talking about, of course, how to do it from org mode, but of course, if you are in, it is nothing but things that you do in Beamer. So if I show you the section where I talked about use cases, all you need to do, you just need to attach or add this particular part called attr_beamer. If you are familiar with LaTeX, the way you work on LaTeX documents, or even if you're trying to export HTML, you can do a lot of things using this. So basically, I'm using this overlay plus minus, and that is how it is. It's very simple, and I found it online on Stack Overflow, and I thought, okay, let me just show you, because if you're trying to create a presentation with bullet point, you may want to do it. Not always, but in this case, I wanted to, and I thought, okay, let me explore. So basically, it is nothing but if you look at the PDF is the next page. Basically, there is a separate page. That is it, with third bullet and then fourth bullet, but the page number is still the same. So this is smart, right, and useful. All right, that is it. That is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new. Thank you very much. Bye bye.